Let's look at how to assemble your Alexapure Pro. Assembly is simple. Just put the base into the slip-resistant ring. Remove the blue plastic from washers, then remove the nut from the spigot. Next, install the washer and gasket onto the spigot. Insert the spigot into the base. Install the gasket and washer. Secure with the nut. Make sure the nut is tight enough on the spigot, compressing the gaskets enough to create a tight seal. Use an adjustable wrench if necessary, but do not over-tighten. Next, open the filter packaging and remove the filter. Install the rubber washer onto the filter. Insert the filter onto the base. Secure with the nut. Insert the rubber stoppers into the empty holes. Finally, mount the top handle onto the lid. Fill top with cold water. Place full top on base. Position the spigot over your sink and open it. Allow the water to filter into the base. Allow the unit to flush and repeat the process one more time. After a second flush, rinse out the base and you're ready to go.